In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept manual payments on your Wix website. This process is a great way to offer your customers alternative payment options, which can be particularly useful for those who prefer not to use online payment methods or who live in areas where traditional online payment solutions might not be available. We'll walk through each step together, so don't worry if you feel a little lost at first. By the end, you'll be well equipped to set this up on your own, creating a smoother experience for both you and your customers. To get started, you'll first need to go to the homepage of your Wix site. Navigate to the Wix website, log in if necessary, and you'll find yourself at the dashboard. From here, the action really kicks off. Next, locate the Settings option, which is usually found on the sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to a whole new world of customization options for your site. Once in Settings, you'll want to select Accept Payments. This section of Wix is where you configure how you receive money from customers, an absolute must for any business venture online. Now, when you're in the Accept Payments area, look for the option to Connect under the Manual Payments section. This is where you'll be able to add and manage different types of offline payment methods, offering additional flexibility to your customers. After clicking Connect, you'll be asked to choose a payment type. The choice here plays a big role in how you plan to handle manual payments. For this process, we'll specifically select Manual Payment. Doing this ensures that you can direct your customers on how to pay you offline, outside the Wix platform's automated payment systems. One key step is to focus on the Let Your Customers Know How to Pay option. Here, you should provide clear and comprehensive instructions on how your customers should proceed with the payment. This might include details like your bank account information, preferred payment locations, or other necessary steps they need to follow. Adding detailed instructions is critical as it helps eliminate any ambiguity, making the transaction seamless and hassle-free for your buyers. Once you've finalized and input all the necessary instructions, you must click Connect to complete the setup process. By doing this, you're enabling the manual payment method, officially making it a part of your payment options on your Wix site. And there you have it. You've successfully set up manual payments on your Wix website. This feature allows you more versatility in your payments, catering to a more extensive customer base with varying payment preferences. Remember, the key to a good online store is not just your products, but also providing users with easy and convenient ways to purchase them. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.